In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mega menu with images on Shopify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Shopify admin and navigate to the area where you manage themes. From there, go to Online Store, then Themes, and choose Customize. Once the theme editor loads, focus on the header section. Many modern themes include a desktop menu type setting right inside header. Change that setting to Mega Menu to enable the larger, more visual navigation layout. This switch tells your theme to render a multi-column image-friendly menu on desktop screens. After you switch it, use the preview panel to confirm the layout and how your top bar behaves. Some themes will show a placeholder until you add content. Next, add images to make the Mega Menu visually compelling. Depending on your theme, you may see special Mega Menu blocks under the header options. These blocks let you either upload images directly or pull images from the featured image set of a collection or product. If your theme links images to collection featured images, make sure those collection images are set and represent the content you want to promote. If you upload manually, choose clear, well-cropped images that match the aspect ratio used in the preview so items don't look stretched. A few practical tips for image selection and presentation. Keep visual styling consistent across your menu so it looks intentional rather than cluttered. Use simple high-contrast images or icons because menu images are usually small and need to communicate quickly. Optimize files for web so they load fast. Aim for crisp images under a couple hundred kilobytes and use JPEG or WebP when possible. Add descriptive alt text in your media library for accessibility and SEO, even if the theme doesn't display it visibly. After adding images and linking them to the appropriate menu items or collections, preview the site in desktop mode and also check mobile behavior. Many themes purposely fall back to a simpler drop-down on mobile, so confirm that your mobile navigation remains usable. Finally, save any changes and test a few links to make sure images and links point to the intended collections or pages. That's it. Enabling the Mega Menu and filling it with images is a quick way to make navigation richer and more discoverable. With consistent visuals and a bit of optimization, your shop's menu can become a powerful storefront element that guides visitors to featured collections and